Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon observing two planets of our solar system, namely Venus, which is the brighter one, and Saturn. Ito siya. Yan. This is the planet Saturn, the ring planet, and this is Venus, which we call the evening star and sometimes the morning star. I-zoom natin, baka sakali makikita natin ang rings. However, we can't. So it's a failure. Hindi natin makita yung rings ng Saturn. But that's it. No, it's visible to the naked eyes. This one is Venus. This is the hottest planet in the solar system. Okay, and here we have two more planets. Here, we have Jupiter, which is directly at the zenith. The point which is directly above your head is called the zenith. So it's at the zenith right now. That's Jupiter. And this one is Mars. Oh, it's hiding behind the clouds. Oh, it's visible here. Ito siya. This is the planet Mars. Yan. Okay, katabi niya, itong star na to, na ang tawag ay Pollux, in the constellation of Gemini. And this one, we have Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. The light that we see from Sirius at this moment is the light which left the star some 8 years ago, because it's 8 light years away. Ano? So if Venus, or if this star would suddenly vanish right now, we can still see it for the next 8 years. And this one is the constellation of Orion. Yan. Makikita natin yung tatlong stars na maliwanag. Yan yung Orion's belt. At itong tatlong stars na faint, yan naman yung dagger ni Orion. So here, we have a reddish star. Ito, yung nasa balikat. Yan yung Betelgeuse. This one, the bright star here, is called Rigel. Yan. This is the constellation Orion. Okay? So, yan yung lesson natin for tonight. Ang ating astronomy class. Eme lang. No, hindi eme yun. Totoo yun. No. So, ayan. Say goodbye to Venus and Saturn. Bye-bye!